The fire blanket market was valued at $268 million in the year 2022 and is expected to grow at a strong rate of around 6% during the forecast period of 2023 to 2030, owing to rising urbanization and stringent fire safety laws. Fiberglass is often chosen for making fire blankets due to its heat resistance property. Fiberglass blankets can withstand temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit or more, making them effective for smothering most small fires. Fire blankets should be located in or near a kitchen but not too close to the fire hazard, as a fire may prevent access to the fire blanket. These are best fixed to the wall in an easily identifiable location. A unit to fabricate fiberglass fire blankets requires medium-range investment and is quite easy to operate. With good marketing and sales planning, it can reap profits in short time. Making fiberglass fire blankets involves working with fiberglass fabric and ensuring it meets specific safety and fire resistance standards. This process should only be done with proper protective equipment and knowledge of working with fiberglass materials, as the fibers can be hazardous when inhaled or when in contact with skin. Main material is the fiberglass cloth that is cut to size as per requirements, followed by sewing and labeling. Fabric cutting and trimming gadgets are the only tools required for this project. It is worth noting that other heat-resistant cloths made from Kevlar can also be utilized. This will increase the cost of the product. Five steps fabrication of fire blankets are described in this and next two slides. For general household fire blankets, E-glass fiberglass is standard. Normally 1 square meter fabric is enough for household applications, particularly in kitchens. For best results, purchase pre-treated fiberglass fabric that's already coated to minimize irritation and improve handling. If you're making blankets for home or workshop use, test a sample piece, safely, to confirm it performs well under heat. Don't skip edge finishing. Raw fiberglass edges are itchy and degrade quickly. Sealing the edges prevents the fiberglass from fraying and makes it safer to handle. Labels describing the procedure and precautions for usage must be added to the fire blankets. After folding, the blanket is stored in a container for easy deployment. Always keep in mind not to use standard fabric or synthetic materials, these melt or catch fire easily. Fiberglass fire blankets are essential safety tools designed to smother small fires by cutting off their oxygen supply. The cost of these blankets varies based on size, material quality, and brand. Many suppliers have these items in their product range. Two are shown on the screen. One must keep following in mind while choosing fire blankets for home or office. Choose a size appropriate for the area you want to protect. Opt for blankets made of fiberglass or silica for high heat resistance. Ensure the blanket can withstand temperatures higher than the maximum expected in your environment.